beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe Asanwa baby. Asanwa baby. Hello, welcome on board. Today I'll be doing this hairstyle on my daughter's hair. This is the hairstyle that I did on my hair that she so much loved, the hairstyle that she wants me to do it for her. So today I'll be recreating this hairstyle for her. So as you can see, I've already started doing the hair, and this is what we have done so far. I'm doing a short hairstyle and I will take you guys along. I will link the video of the hairstyle that I'm doing here. So if you have not seen the video, please feel free to check the video out. It's called Easy Kinky Twist. I'll be applying shine and jam all over the hair, and feel free to apply more if needed. I'll be using Noble Gold Kinky Twist for this hairstyle, and I'll be using color 1 and color 27. I'm going to braid and I will twist. So this is a simple and easy hairstyle that anyone can do. It's just like a beginner friendly. So just braid the hair first. If you cannot twist from the roots, so just braid the hair first, then you twist all over the hair. So it's so simple. Then I will use the clip to hold the hair so it doesn't pull from the scalp. I will put all the products that I used and the links in the info section, so don't forget to check the info section out. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and follow me on all social media at Asanwa baby. I'm using Cantu shea butter coiling cream to moisturize her hair, and I will seal it with my oil mist so that her hair will be moisturized while she is in protective style. So guys, this is my first time doing voiceover and my voice is like shaky. Please do bear with me, okay? I will braid, then I will twist, and don't forget to moisturize the hair individually. In that case, the hair will be moisturized throughout the protective hairstyle, and always add jam to make the hair smooth as well. So I made this hairstyle on a medium size so that it will be easy for her to pack, because when it's too much, if I should make it small, it's going to be hard for her to style her hair, and she'll be always wishing for me to help her style the hair. So that's why I made it in a medium size, not too big, not too small, but like on a middle size, so that it will be easy for her to do whatever she wants to do with her hair without me interfering. Hello beauties, if you love this hairstyle that I'm having now, I have a tutorial for it and it's called Easy Fashion Twist Rubber Band Hair Method. I'm going to link the video in the info section so you guys can check it out, okay? So guys, always apply jam to the hair because that is the key to the smooth hair. If not, the hair will be looking rough and will be sticking out of the hair, and that is not what we want. And always brush the hair to remove all the knots and tangles. So beauties, if you're going to recreate this hairstyle, please feel free to share with me on my social media platforms. I'm going to twist all the way through, then I'm going to tie the hair on my finger to give it a secure finish, because since the hair is not going to be putting in the hot water, tying it on my finger is going to make it to be secure. And feel free to add attach if needed, and borrow attach from the other side as well. I'll be using scissors to trim the ends, and you can use razor as well, so feel free to use whatever you can find. And while trimming the hair, you're going to make it to be feathered because the end is what makes the hair beautiful. So don't make it in a blunt cut, just make it like a feather, so it's going to look good. And you can still retwist the hair that is not in a good shape. Cream of natural argan oil mousse to smooth the flyaways, and I'm going to add a few pumps on my hand, then I will massage it all over the hair. I'll be adding some few accessories on her hair, and I'll be using cream of nation argan oil edge control to lay down her edges. I got the hair accessories from Amazon and the flower that I put on her hair from my local store. So what did you say about your hair, girl?
I love my hair. It's like the perfect hairstyle.
Yeah. So is there anything you want to say?
So guys, like and subscribe and comment down which hair do you want my mom to make. She's really good at making hair.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media and don't forget to turn your notification on so that you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. Alright guys, see you on my next video. It's your babe.
Bye.
Bye. I love. Yeah. This edge control to lay her edges down. Yeah. Yeah, this is the result. Yeah. Back to you. I'll do like this.